Hi everyone, this is Peter from My Generator, and today we're just shooting a really quick video on a couple of new Thunder products that have just come online for us. So really excited, got a bit of a different range here. I'm going to start with this particular one here, which is your 30 LED light. This is great for your 4x4. It's got a beam of up to 300 meters as a direct laser beam, high intensity. From about 400 meters onwards, it'll start to dim out. So this is great for if you're on the road or heading in a straight line and just need that brightness. Next, we've got the UFH antenna at the front here. So again, great for caravans, boats, again your 4x4. It's 80 channels, digital, has its own searching and selecting, as well as I said, an 18-kilometer range. So again, great for 4x4 and boats. And then finally, we've got the blind spot wiring kit here. So again, probably more in use for domestic sort of driving. But what's really great about this one here is that it'll help you see through blind spots. So you get two sensors that go onto the bumper of your car, and then you get two in-car sensors, which will give you an alarm and an LED light if something's in your blind spot that you can't see with your normal mirrors. So again, probably a bit more use in sort of domestic driving around in the cities and stuff like that. This will hook up through your 12-volt system in your car, and as I said, it's got a 3-meter distance connection or distance radius. It uses sonar technology, so it'll give you a warning as quick as 120 milliseconds. So if something's coming up the rear of your car which you can't see, you get the warning and the lights there. So again, just a couple of new products from Thunder. Really excited to get these online. And of course, if you are interested and want to know more pricing and information, make sure you click below this video. We'll have all the links to the products there, and look forward to speaking to you in the next video.